So yes guys, for this one, hindi mo kailangan ng TikTok account or if may TikTok account ka naman, hindi mo kailangan ng 600 followers in order to earn from this. Hi guys! Welcome back here on my channel. This is me, Teacher Marie. And yes guys, bumalik po tayo sa previous channel name natin na Teacher Marie kasi a lot of you have requested na much better, hindi kayo nako-confuse at madali nyong hanapin yung channel if it is named after Teacher Marie. So in my last video about Ecomobi Pasio, shinare ko sa inyo yung TikTok affiliate program kung saan if may TikTok account ka at mayroon kang 600 followers, pwede kang sumali doon sa kanilang TikTok shop affiliate. Pwede kang kumita doon sa kanilang TikTok product marketplace. Now aside from that, you can also share products coming from Ecomobi Pasio. I-share mo yung mga links doon sa TikTok account mo and you are going to earn, of course, double commissions kasi may products ka from Ecomobi Pasio and may products ka from TikTok. Now, marami sa inyo naman yung nagsabi na, Teacher Marie, wala pa kasi akong 600 followers. Ano yung gagawin ko para at least naman kumita ako doon sa TikTok products? Meron namang iba na interesado silang kumita dito, kakagawa lang ng account, pero hindi pa nga umaabot ng 600 followers. Now, perfect itong video na ito guys kasi para ito sa, yun na nga, yung mga walang 600 followers pa doon sa kanilang TikTok account or yung kakagawa lang ng account, yung fresh na fresh pa talaga yung account nila, or wala ka namang TikTok account. So, hindi mo probably gustong gumawa ng TikTok account pero gusto mo pa rin pagkakitaan yung mga products sa TikTok. So, ito yung video na para sa'yo. So, ano nga ba itong program na pwede naming salihan, Teacher Marie? So, itong program na ito, tinatawag natin siyang Link Share Program. And dito guys, you will have the access to products on TikTok using Ecomobi Pasio for you to generate link and share the link on your platform. So, since affiliate marketing ito, kapag bumenta yung product na shinare mo using your link, you will earn a commission from that. Now, ang pagkakaiba lang ng link share program sa TikTok affiliate program is that yung TikTok affiliate program, yung mga products na ma-generate mo from your TikTok marketplace or yung mga products coming from Ecomobi Pasio doon sa TikTok affiliate program nila, you can only share those links doon sa TikTok account mo. So, doon lalabas yung mga products na shinare mo sa yellow basket na tinatawag natin. So, for the link share naman guys is, yes, hindi mo kailangan ng TikTok account to begin with and hindi mo rin kailangan ng 600 followers if may account ka. So, if may TikTok account ka, yes, you can share the links doon sa TikTok account mo. But, hindi lang sa TikTok. You can also share it doon sa Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. If may website ka, you can also share it there. So, if wala ka namang Instagram, Facebook lang, you can also just share it on Facebook. So, yung role ng Ecomobi Pasio dito guys is parang binibridge lang niya yung gap between you and TikTok. Kasama ka doon sa tatlong criteria na walang TikTok account or new yung account mo at hindi pa maabot ng 600 yung followers mo, wala kang access doon sa TikTok products nila doon sa product marketplace nila. So, since hindi mo ma-access kasi hindi ka pa nga approved for TikTok Shop Affiliate, then wala kang may earn na commissions din. So, yung role ng Ecomobi Pasio is binibigyan kanya ng access doon sa mga TikTok Shop products. Okay, so doon na tayo kung paano nga ba mag-join dito sa program na ito. So, unang-una guys, again, since yung ating gagamitan na way for us to access the TikTok shop products is yung Ecomobi Pasio natin, then you must create an account with Ecomobi Pasio. So again, if hindi ka pa nakapag-register, wala ka pang Ecomobi Pasio account, you can find the link in the description box below. Registration link po yan. And if you want to use my referral code, you can use my referral code at Jana in Germany. So sa mga gagamit ng code ko, let me know in the comment section. Comment down below, Teacher Marie, I've used your code and I will be very, very thankful. Thank you guys. Now, kapag mayroon ka ng account, nakapag-register ka na with Ecomobi Pasio, the next step naman guys is to open your Ecomobi Pasio app. So, ito, naka-open na yung Ecomobi Pasio app ko. And yung gagawin natin guys is scroll lang natin yung ating homepage ng app natin. So, may makikita kayo dito, tap yun yung TikTok affiliate program. So, huwag yan. Hindi nyo yan i-click kasi iba yan. That's for the other program. So, again, if you want to know how you can earn from TikTok affiliate program, kapag may 600 followers ka sa TikTok account mo, then make sure to check my video. You can click the I button up here or find the link in the description box below. Meron tayo ditong booking campaign. Also, may video din ako dyan. Again, find the link in the description box below. And then we have here affiliate campaign. So, ito yung kailangan natin. So, i-click natin dito view. Ayan. So, naglo-load lang yung affiliate campaign natin. And dito, makikita mo yung mga products. So, dito, so you can see here, Lazada, TikTok, Shopee, and then meron pa ditong isa. Ano ba yan? Hot Partner. So, ito. Yung link share program is for TikTok siya. So, dito tayo, i-click natin itong TikTok. And here you will find TikTok products na pwede mong i-share. So, very simple lang guys. So, hanap ka lang dito ng product na gusto mong i-share. So, let's say ito yung product na gusto nating i-share. So, i-click lang natin yan. And makikita mo dito, generate link. So, i-click mo lang yung generate link. And then, meron ka ng link dito. And ito yung link na i-share mo doon sa mga platforms mo. So, again, hindi lang TikTok yung pwede mong pag-sharean. You can also share it to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or website. So, ganun lang siya kasimple guys na pag may generated link ka na, pwede mo na siyang i-share doon sa platforms ninyo. Now, yung generated link, as in, wag mong i-change. Wala kang gagawin talaga na changes sa generated link mo. Kasi may possibility na hindi nila ma-track yung links. And even if may bumili, hindi mata-track yung commission mo. Kapag na-generate na yung link mo, guys, remember you have 100 days for this link to remain active. So, after 100 days, if you still want to promote the product, you have to generate your link again. Otherwise, if may bumili ng product mo during, I don't know, 300 day, na hindi magiging counted yung sale na iyon. So, wala kang ma-receive na commission. Now, let's say for example, may nag-click ng link ninyo, pero hindi pa niya binili agad yung product. So, if yung buyer within 14 days, binili niya yung product, kasi yung last na click niya na link is your link, then it will still count as your commission. So, may ma-receive ka pa rin na commission as long as umabot yung buyer na check out niya within the 14th day. So, yung disadvantage lang ng program na ito, guys, compared to the TikTok affiliate program, kasi doon sa TikTok affiliate program, pwede kayong mag-request ng product sample. So, hindi mo kailangang bilhin yung product para gumawa ng content, unboxing ka ba, mag-review ka ba ng product, so magagamit mo siya to create the content. For link share, hindi available yung free sample. So, paano nga ba kayo gagawa ng content for this? Obviously, if you have the same product already at your home, you can use that product and create a content from that. If hindi naman, you can use green screen videos. So, maganda itong green screen video, guys, kasi you don't have to have the product. Pero, sarili mo pa ring video yung ginamit mo. So, hindi ka lang nagpo-post ng mga stolen photos from their websites. That is wrong. You must create your own content, and the green screen video is the best way to go if hindi physically available yung products. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na makatulong itong video na ito sa inyo. This is of course a great opportunity again for you to earn money using Ecomobi Pasho and also of course using TikTok products. So again, if you haven't created yet or register for an account with Ecomobi Pasho, then make sure to click the link in the description box below. Use my code at Jana in Germany and you will earn a small amount if you start earning here on Ecomobi Pasho. So that's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, let me know. If you have any questions about Ecomobi Pasho, leave them all in the comment section down below. I'll answer them as much as I can. So that's it for now, and I hope to see you around on the next video. Bye!